Imagine a ship so big, so powerful, people believed it could never sink. But on its very first journey, it disappeared into the ocean. This is the true story of the Titanic, the most famous ship disaster in history. Part 1. The Dream Ship. 0, 20 to 1, 10. In 1912, Titanic was the largest and most luxurious ship ever built. It had swimming pools, grand dining halls, rich passengers, living in luxury. People called it unsinkable. On April 10, 1912, it left England for New York with over 2,200 people on board. Everyone was excited. No one knew what was coming. Part 2. The Warning Signs. 1 to 10, 2 and kick. As Titanic moved through the cold Atlantic Ocean, warnings came in. Other ships reported icebergs ahead. But the Titanic kept going fast. Why? Because the captain and crew believed the ship was too strong to sink. That confidence would cost many lives. Part 3. The Collision. 2 to 3 o'clock. On the night of April 14th, everything changed. A lookout suddenly saw a huge iceberg right ahead. "Iceberg!" he shouted. The ship tried to turn, but it was too late. The Titanic hit the iceberg. The damage didn't look big, but under the water, the ship was breaking apart. Part 4. Panic and Tragedy. 3 o'clock to 4:30. Water started filling the ship. At first, people didn't believe it would sink. But slowly, panic began. There were not enough lifeboats. Women and children were sent first. Many boats left half empty, while hundreds stayed behind. In the freezing water, survival was almost impossible. Part 5. The Sinking. 4:30 and 5:10. In the early morning of April 15th, 1912, the Titanic broke into 2 parts and disappeared into the ocean. Over 1,500 people died. It became known as the sinking of the Titanic. Ending 5:10 to 5:40, the Titanic was called unsinkable, but it proved one thing. No matter how powerful humans think they are, nature is always stronger. Call to action. End screen. If this story shocked